How to fix Outlook notifications not showing a preview. So here I am in the Outlook application, and the first thing that you can do to fix your Outlook applications not showing the preview notifications is that you can double check the settings if your notification settings is turned on. So just go to File, go to Settings. From here, go to Notifications, and then make sure that everything is turned on right here. So if you see that everything is turned on and nothing is still happening, we can go ahead and go to our Windows settings. So you should see your notifications like this. So for example, if you receive new emails, you should receive notifications right here at the bottom right of your desktop. For calendar reminders, you can choose if you want to receive your notifications preview in the bottom right or in the middle of your screen. So just choose what you want. And then from here, we can go to our Windows settings. So just click right here on the bottom right, and then make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off. So this also causes the notifications preview to not appear. So you can just see the notifications appearing right here, but you cannot see it in your screen right here whenever you receive one. So just make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off so that you can now receive notification previews. And then it usually looks like this. So you will receive notifications previews right here at the bottom right. Then if you are using the classic version of Outlook, so just open Classic Outlook right here. You can also turn on your notification settings. So just make sure it's turned on. Just go to File, go to Options, go to Mail, and then go right here to Message Arrival. And then you should turn on Display a Desktop Alert. So that is how you can turn on the notification settings in both the classic version and the new version of Outlook. And then make sure that the Outlook application is open in your desktop, because if the Outlook application is closed, of course, you will not receive notification previews. So make sure that Outlook is turned on or it's just minimized in your desktop. And then we can go ahead and try the notification right here. So let's say I will send an email to myself right here. And then click send. And then we've already sent the email. And then now we can see the notification preview right here. So it's now working. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the email notification preview not showing in Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.